What's up, guys? It's Jonathan. I'm about to head to my kid's baseball game. You know what the difference is between me and the other guys? Let me show you. Dan here. Been a member for a while. I tripled the size of my futures account in the last weeks. I had my first 50,000 plus day and my second 50,000 plus day in silver future options. The same ones that Pablo Lucina shared with the entire community on March 22nd or March 23rd. I will make a video about that trade. That was today. Let's go to yesterday. 4 S's, thanks for the heads up. You mentioned the options class that 1250 might be a nice area to target. So SSSS rallied right out of the gate on Monday. It was trading, I think, 13 quarter. Said to the community, we'd love to get on, but we ain't gonna chase. So just be patient, wait till it comes back. It looks like Kevin got filled $1.70, up 25% already on the calls. I already know I made a wise decision to invest in you and the MIT educational system, tools, and philosophy. I'm still new with MIT and still absolutely know I'm in the right place. Finally, a proper education from a true professional. Thanks, Kevin. That's really nice of you to say. I appreciate that. Hey, Adam, I saw your Facebook post. Mind-blowing. Thanks for sharing those results. Pretty freaking sweet. I wanted to post mine, but I wasn't sure how you'd react, knowing that I'm only a couple months into your program and that I still have lots to learn. You specifically asked me not to take trades for at least 3 months. Anybody who joins my coaching program, part of the agreement that I have with you is you take it slow. You don't take trades for those first 3 months. Some people 6. I was excited to get started and couldn't wait any longer, so I took a couple of small trades in silver along with FLIR and GDOT to get my feet wet. Here are my results. Also, when we first met, I was nervous about your course cost and the timing of when I would see a return on my investment. Let me remind you too, Adam is in our top coaching program. That's the way my mind works, so is mine. In 2 months, I've seen nearly a 50% return. By the way, not on his account, at least I don't think that's what he meant. I think what he meant is the cost of the program. I hope you're cool with what I'm doing. If not, please tell me. I'm extremely cool with what you're doing. I love the progress you're making as well. I want to get better. One thing for sure is that I couldn't be happier to be part of your program and this style of trading. I just want to first say thank you for all your material. So happy I joined the program. Just so you have an idea, I have a toddler and a baby, and one of my goals with this program is to supplement my income enough to have the opportunity to stay home and enjoy them more. I have a lot more to learn, but so far, the information that I learned has been life-changing. That's my week, guys. Monday, life-changing. Tuesday, I have no doubt I'm in the right program. Wednesday, Adam makes 50% of his coaching costs back. And then today, the big finale, we had Dan here. His account goes from $44,325 to over $180,000, just taking the same exact trade that Pablo and I shared with the entire community. Check it out, masterthantrading.com. That's the difference we are.